you've ever thought about journaling your trades, but you just don't know how to, and there's no software really where everything comes together and it gives you detailed statistics and analytics about your own personal trading, well, that is exactly what this video is about. I will be giving my first impressions on my trading journey, a software similar to TradeZella, which I'm sure most of you have probably heard about. So I think it's a must-have, to be fair, in pretty much all my experience with it so far. There are a few tweaks that can be made, which I will discuss too, but today is just going to be a first impression. I'll give you an overview of everything, plus all the links are down below. So if you want to get a free 20-day trial, I believe, then use that link in the description below and use my code for 15% off. But anyway, let's get into the first impressions. This is what will happen if you go on the website. All-in-one trading software. It gives you a short tutorial on backtesting and everything, and some nice promos. And I've talked to the owner of this, or the person who runs this, and he's told me very good things about it so far, and things to come is very, very exciting for traders. And I'm very excited they're about to implement a trade copier into their software. So that will save expenses so much in terms of I won't have to pay for an external trade copier. Plus, they have backtesting involved, okay? As you can see right there. So I don't have to use FX replay on the side, but I'll get into that in a bit. But pretty much this gives you an overview and everything, discover all the possibilities, all of that stuff. And here are the 3 plans pretty much that you can get discounts on with the code below. And if you have any questions regarding this, make sure to drop it in the comments below. I'll ask him next time I get on a call with them. Plus, if you've used this for, I don't know, the 20-day free trial, and if you have any feedback, make sure to let me know so I can get in touch with them and help improve the platform overall. So pretty much this is all the basic stuff, but you want to see the actual metrics and all of that stuff. So this is my account, and I've just disappeared. Okay, so this is the account pretty much. I've got my personal account loaded on right here. But as you can see, it's a nice software, nice user interface. You got the net P&L, win percentage, average risk to reward ratio, and profit factor. So the main metrics. Then you have a nice equity line right here, plus your recent trades that you've done, open and closed trades right there. Furthermore, what else do you have? You have all of these very detailed stats, total winners, best win, average win. Obviously, my sample size is very short right now, so can't really judge it too much, but you have your calendar. Then you have some more trade distribution by day of the week, so you can see which days are your best performing days, all of that stuff, daily risk, percentage, P&L, all of that good stuff. Then we come into backtesting, and backtesting, it's very easy to set up a new session. Just click new session, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. You have the pairs you want to trade, the start date you want to start backtesting with, the name of the strategy, and a bit of a description if you'd like. The good thing about this backtesting is it's literally the same as TradingView, so it's not that hard to transition into my trading journey. So it's pretty much the same as TradingView, which is a very, very good plus point. Now, one thing which is a minor thing I want them to improve is that with their indicators, I want their session indicators to actually highlight the whole session. So right now it's not highlighting the whole session, and it's showing it on a separate area, right? I want it like TradingView, where if I want to see the Asian range while backtesting, I want this whole area to be shaded in, so I know exactly where the Asian high and low is. So that is something which I've been talking to them about, and they are improving. So once that comes out, that'll be really good. I'm definitely sure that, but when I do my end of my full review of the software around May, June time, then they would have fixed it no problem. Maybe they would even have the trade copier integrated too. So that is pretty much backtesting, which is a really cool feature. Then they have a daily journal, so pretty much expanded view of the calendar, which shows you the monetary amount that you're losing in trades and gaining. And pretty much you can change it to percentages too, so it'll show -1%, +2%, things like that. Your monthly stats, it shows as well. And plus, if you click on one of these, you can add quick notes and also screenshot pictures of TradingView and write some quick notes about your trade. So it's always available at a quick glance. Now, trade log is pretty simple. All the trades you've taken, your trade history. So a nice, neat journal area where all of your trades are there. And then we come into reports. So these are basically an overview of everything that's happened. So once you have a lot of trades taken under an account, then all of these will be more significant. I've only got 7, so that's not that much. All of this stuff as well. And then affiliate and mentor mode is pretty much where you can share trades with your students, and pretty much they can learn from you and see how you're doing, all of that stuff. So that's probably won't be needed for most of you, but these things which I've gone through so far, these are the first impressions that I felt with the website and the software. They're very active on Instagram, which is always a good plus point. And overall, I'm very excited to be working with them. So this is the first impressions. Let me know how you find the software. Once again, the links are in the description below. 15% off with the code Arjun15. And with the other link, you can get 20 days free on the software. Overall, all good things to say apart from the back testing, which I'm pretty sure they will improve. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some value out of it. Make sure to try this and let me know how it goes for you. And I will see you later on in the week.